Hello guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Syndicate YouTube channel. This video is going to be an exclusive video for Crypto Syndicate Academy members, right? So, and this video is just to tell you how to quick start your crypto journey, how to survive in the crypto ecosystem. Don't also expect to become an expert, after one day of just watching this video. It's actually a learning process, and you have to put in the hard work to, survive in this ecosystem long term, right? So basically, the blockchain is just a decentralized ledger. It's the home of cryptocurrencies. Assets are being stored on the blockchain, and it can also store transactions. It's authentic, it's transparent, and it's secure. And you can read more about the blockchain, but that's just the basic concept of the blockchain, right? So the blockchain is also something you have to be understanding as time goes on. Like I said, you want to understand every single thing I say in this video at a go, right? You can't expect to go to the university, for example, and understand a whole course in just one single day, right? So it's something you have to be learning gradually, right? So this is CoinGecko and this is CoinMarketCap, right? So these two websites are coin tracking websites, and they are the most important thing in the crypto ecosystem, according to what I have gathered, because it basically contains almost all the information that you need when it comes to, understanding what the crypto ecosystem is all about, right? So for example, when you come to CoinGecko and you come to the main website, you can see Bitcoin, which is the first cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, right? So you can see Ethereum, you can see Binance Coin, you can see USD, you can see Cardano, and all this. So basically what this website does is all these coins here, 10,200 coins, right? So these are the coins that exist currently in the crypto ecosystem, right? And are really recognized, right? So these are the coins here. You can see recently added here for the coins that are recently added, the large movers, which are the coins that perform a lot, that have a lot of gains in the last 24 hours, and all the information we've got into that. Right, so you can see all these coins, right? So let's get right into it. So after talking about the blockchain, the next thing we have to talk about is also how to interact with the blockchain actually. Or let me talk about smart contract platforms. So basically, how you talk about smart contract platforms, which are platforms that basically have blockchains, and you can have some cryptocurrencies under those coins or under those ecosystem as well. To get to know that, all you have to do is just come to coins here and you come to categories, right? So when you come to categories, you can see smart contract platforms. And basically, these are cryptocurrencies that have a blockchain, right? And they also have underlying assets or underlying cryptocurrencies under their respective blockchains, right? So let's say, for example, you click on smart contract platforms. You can see we have Ethereum, we have Cardano, we have Solana, we have Chainlink, we have Avalanche. All these coins here are smart contract platforms, and they basically enable smart contracts on their blockchain, and you can have cryptocurrencies under each of this ecosystem, right? So all these coins have all these coins have platforms building various type of things under their ecosystem. For example, a very good example is let's say, for example, if you look at Oasis Network. So Oasis Network is a privacy enabled blockchain, and what this basically means is anything that has to do with developing a crypto application that is privacy focused, that is focused on taking privacy to the next level, then you have to just look at Oasis Network, and you have to look at the decentralized applications building under Oasis Network, right? So how do you come in? How do you come in into all of this? Before I tell you that, I would just like to tell you guys one very quick thing, which is the fact that you do need a crypto wallet, right? When you talk about existing in the crypto ecosystem. So the wallet I'm going to just recommend is Token Pocket, right? So, and it's used for storing your cryptocurrencies basically and interacting with all these smart contract platforms I have been mentioning, right? So Token Pocket is the best wallet I can think of. You can store your Ethereum, your BSC coins, your Heco coins, Tron, OKX, Polkadot, and basically you can store all the cryptocurrencies that are building under all these cryptocurrencies in Token Pocket as well, and you can interact with them. Don't expect to understand every single thing at a go, right? Just follow me in this video. So what you should have done by now is you should have downloaded Token Pockets, visited CoinMarketCap, and visited CoinGecko as well. As always, come to coins here. So when you come to coins here, just go to categories. And when you go to categories, you can see smart contract platforms. You can see decentralized finance platforms. You can see exchange-based platforms as well. So when it comes to crypto, you can also come to exchanges here, and you can see the exchanges. And what exchanges means, they are just the marketplace of cryptocurrency. So if you want to buy a cryptocurrency, the best way to do that is to just go to an exchange. And what will happen in an exchange is you register, you complete your KYC, which is your identity verification, and you'll be able to buy cryptocurrencies on that platform. So if you don't want to complete your identity verification and you just want to buy a coin under an underlying cryptocurrency, you just go to decentralized exchanges, right? So that's DEX, right? So you come to exchanges, you go to DEX, and you can see Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Radium, ShibaSwap, TraderJoe, and all that. Right, so Uniswap is the underlying exchange of the Ethereum blockchain. So if you want to buy an Ethereum-based token, you can buy it under Uniswap. If you want to buy a coin under the Binance Smart Chain, you go for PancakeSwap. If you want to buy a coin under the Solana blockchain, you go for Radium. If you want to buy a coin under AVAX, then you go for TraderJoe. If you want to buy a coin under FTM, then you go to SpookySwap. Under Matic, you go for QuickSwap. Under MDEX, under Heco Chain, you go for MDEX. Under Near Blockchain, you go for Ref Finance, right? So basically, what I'm saying here is, whichever coin you want to buy or interact with in the crypto ecosystem, all these blockchains, all the blockchains I showed you guys earlier, these are the blockchains. Let's go to categories and let's go to smart contract platforms. So we have Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Chainlink, Avalanche, Polygon, and all this. If you want to interact with any smart contract platform under all these blockchains, you just basically have to go to the respective maybe exchange or the respective oracle or the respective platform that has to do with what you want to do under that specific blockchain, right? So don't expect to understand that all at a go, right? So where you come in all of this when it comes to cryptocurrency is the fact that there is a lot of money invested in the crypto ecosystem. And the thing is, all these blockchains have a lot of decentralized apps and a lot of platforms under them, right? So, and what that signifies basically is that someone has to, put all these things in place. There are always careers and opportunities for you as a person when it comes to all these huge ecosystem. We have $2.7 trillion, almost $3 trillion invested in the crypto ecosystem, and there must be an opportunity for you as a person, right? So let's say, for example, if you come to Solana, right? So when you come to Solana and you visit solana.com, right? So let's go to, this is Solana, which is a blockchain in the crypto ecosystem. So let's go to network. It should be here. No, let's not go to network. Let's go to ecosystem, right? So when we go to ecosystem, let's scroll down. No, I think they have changed their website, because when you click on ecosystem, okay, here it is, explore the ecosystem. I don't know why my internet is slow today. Okay, so explore the ecosystem has just loaded right now. And basically, you can see this is a coin on building on Solana. This is another coin building on Solana. This is another platform. There are plenty platforms building on Solana. If you click on view more, you can see that there are plenty platforms. And where you come in as a person is you can contribute to what they are building on these platforms. And before you start to say, I don't have any technical skill, I don't have any social skill, calm down on that, right? So You can see there are a total of 500 projects building on the Solana ecosystem that is featured on the website. There are a whole lot more, right? So, but these are just the one recognized by Solana right now, right? So, let's say, for example, I'm going to pick, I don't even know which one to pick. There are so many coins to select from. So let's say, for example, let me pick Serum, right? So you can see Serum is an exchange that is building, it's a decentralized exchange that is building in the Solana ecosystem. And what you have to know about this is that, let's click on learn more. I want to go to the Serum website. So when you come to Serum website, you will discover that they have a website. What you have to note about that is someone built this website, which is an opportunity in the crypto ecosystem. So if you are good at developing websites, you can develop this website for Serum or develop a similar website for Serum. Maybe they always have things to do with coding or even maintain their decentralized exchange for them, and you are going to be paid some amount of money. Okay, let's assume you are not a developer, right? Let's assume you are into UI UX. You can also work on their UI UX design and you will get paid for doing that. Okay, let's assume you don't have a technical skill like designing a website or writing some code. Let's assume you can just write an article. Let's say you are good at essay writing. Then you should know that these guys are an exchange platform and they would always have news and updates that they want to tell the public, right? So if you are good at writing articles, you can always work for this exchange and you would be in charge of, writing news and articles for the exchange, press releases and stuff like that. And you would also be paid for doing that, right? So that's another way to make some money in the crypto ecosystem. So let's assume you don't even know how to do all this. Another thing you can do is you can see they have a Telegram community. So since they have a Telegram community, you can be an admin in the Telegram community and answer people's questions. Answer people's questions, clear out people that want to tarnish the image of the Serum exchange, right? In the Telegram community and all that. And you would be paid some amount of money for also doing this. So there's an opportunity there. You can also see that Serum is also active on Twitter. They have a whole ecosystem on Twitter. They have fans on Twitter and all that. So for talking about Serum on Twitter, you could also be paid some amount of money. For being an admin in their Discord community, you could be paid some amount of money, right? So these are where the opportunities come in. So, but the question you must have for me right now is, how do you know these projects that are actually looking for people that want to work for them or people that can do one or two things for them, right? So another thing you can do is you can write an article. You can even design images. You can design what is known as infographics, right? So let's say crypto infographics. Okay, crypto infographics, right? Sorry. So crypto infographics, and let's see, this is what a crypto infographic looks like. So if you are good at designing and you can basically do something as easy as this, you can do that with Canva or with, let's say, Adobe Illustrator or something like that. You can also be paid. You can see someone made this infographic and he was rewarded some tokens or some basically cryptocurrency for doing that, right? So let's go back to this website. So let's talk on how to get these jobs basically, and they are known as things called ambassador programs in the crypto ecosystem. So if you want to know where to get these jobs, just go to twitter.com and you search in the explore or search box, you search for crypto ambassador program and you search. So when you search for crypto ambassador programs now, you can see Ditto ambassador program, you can see Acknowledger ambassador program, you can see LPI DAO. This is a project, right? This is a crypto project, right? LPI Finance, they are also looking for ambassadors, right? You can see this is just 21 hours ago. There are a whole lot of jobs in the crypto ecosystem for people that want to do them, right? So this is Octopus Ambassador Program. This is Octopus still. This is Ditto. There are a whole lot of them. You just have to search. Okay, this is Celsius Ambassador Program. This was posted October 21, 21st. So that's just like a week ago. This is Matrix Swap Ambassador Program. There are a whole lot of ambassador programs, guys. So let's click on Matrix Swap Ambassador Program and see what they have for us. I don't know why it's not loading up. It should load up. Let's say open link in new tab. I don't know why my network is misbehaving today. But let's try another approach. So matrix swap ambassador program. Okay, I think it's because of Twitter that this is not loading up. Okay. So Matrix Swap Ambassador Program, for example, which was just 6 days ago. So Matrix Swap has been busy, and they, basically in before they tell you about the ambassador program, they tell you what they have been doing, what they are looking for, right? They tell you what they are looking for, what they want, their goals, their objectives, and basically all things like that, just like what I was telling you guys. So if you're a content creator, if you are good at writing articles or anything like that, you can write articles for a crypto project. If you are a technical writer, you can also do that. If you are also an influencer, if you're a social media guru, if you know how to use social media a lot, you can also apply for this ambassador program and do one or two things for them. If you're a website designer, are you a fan of designing websites, UI, UX designer, anything like that? You can also apply for the ambassador program. So what are the benefits? So you can see here for ambassadors, you get from, there are different tiers of ambassadors, and you can get different um, reward for each tier, right? So it depends on what you are bringing to the table. I think it's about $200. This is about maybe $800. Basically, you do the calculations, and they tell you about their project, also what they are building. They are building on Polygon, and they tell you everything about themselves. And if you feel like it's a good project, you can apply, and they are going to get back to you if you are selected. It's just like a normal job application, guys. So there are a whole lot of sorry, guys. So there are a whole lot of ambassador programs, and you can apply for different ambassador programs. So let's go back, and if you come to this, you can also see that we have 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and the price of cryptocurrencies are actually not fixed in the crypto ecosystem. So you can basically invest in some cryptocurrencies and also make some amount of money, because that's also another thing that you can do. And all you need to do that is just be on an exchange, obviously. So the way this works basically is, let's say you want to invest in, let me look for a cryptocurrency. I'm going to be saying, okay, let's say you want to invest in this coin, right? So this is a meme coin, and let's say you want to invest in it, right? So all you have to do is just scroll down. When you scroll down, you can see the markets where it's been listed. So this coin is being listed on Spooky Swap. So all you have to do is just click on Spooky Swap, and you click on Start Trading. And when you click on start trading, you just have to connect your wallet. When you want to connect your wallet, if you have token pockets, you can just connect your token pockets, and you will be able to buy the coin. Now, for token pockets here, I didn't talk about how to get cryptocurrencies. So to get cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is let's go to Binance. Let's say Binance.com. So when you go to Binance.com, you register on this website. When you register on this website, you complete your identity verification and all that. Right. So let me click on Nigeria. So you register now. You click on identity verification and all that. And when you are done with that, you simply navigate to peer-to-peer trading. Right. So P2p trading, and that is where you are going to be able to buy your first set of cryptocurrencies. If you don't know how to do this, simply check Google, or for example, let's say I'm going to teach you guys something, which is why I said, um, let's see, you can use Google as a tool to basically buy cryptocurrencies. Okay, Binance. Let's use Binance P2p trading. anything you don't know about the crypto ecosystem, just simply search it on Google and you will see how to do it. So you can see Binance has an academy that tells you how to use the P2p trading, right? So, and they tell you um, how P2P works. You place an order, you pay the seller, and you get your cryptocurrency, blah, blah, blah. How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. After you complete identity verification, you add your payment method, you are ready to buy basically you can read through all that, and that's how you can buy your cryptocurrency, right? If you get stuck at some point, you can always talk about it in the Crypto Academy WhatsApp group, and some people would do help you out on how to go about it. Right. So that's the basic on how to start your crypto journey, how to navigate through everything, and always understand that you're not going to become an expert in one single day. Right. It's a learning process, and you have to continue learning and learning and learning till you become really, really perfect at all of this. Right. So, and irrespective of whatever talent you have, you can always kickstart your crypto journey, apply for ambassador jobs, trade some cryptocurrencies, buy a little amount of Bitcoin, maybe, or any other cryptocurrency. And, you start from somewhere, and before you know it, within 3 to 6 months, you would have achieved something, right? So this also requires some hard work. You are not going to do it by being a lazy person. If you're a lazy person, then this video is not for you. Just exit this video right now, and you can continue to go and play your computer games or whatever you want to play or something like that. So, but this video is for serious people that want to take action and are really determined to build a career or build something in the crypto ecosystem. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do hope it will help you out to learn one or two things about the crypto ecosystem. Till the next time we meet. Bye, 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 bye.